Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn some free PayPal cash by just plugging in your phone or charging your phone. It is that simple. Yes, you can actually earn money just by plugging your phone into the cord and charging it. Can you believe it? So this video is going to show you, plus other ways, of course, you can earn on with this app that I'm going to show you. So let's get started right now. Before I get started, guys, remember this is the link that will show you how I make big money online, guys. So today's method is not going to make you as much money as this. So I just wanted to let you know that. If you're on your phone watching this, then you should just check out my About page on my channel, and it will show you the same link on the bottom of that page. Alright guys, let's get to the app that I want to show you. It is called Gift Loop, and it is found at giftloop.co. And what this site is, or what this app is that you can earn by just literally charging your phone. And right here, and I'm going to show you where that is, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to get to that. But right now, I'm just going to show you what else you can do with this app, because you can earn more than one way. So you could definitely earn by watching videos. A lot of people like earning this way, watching videos on your phone. And then you could try new apps, meaning you could probably download apps within this app, and then you could earn more points with it. And then here you could play also video games to earn money online. That's another way you can do, and also complete surveys. So these are going to be very easy surveys that you can answer questions and earn some money with it. So this app is only on Google Play, and it's because iOS phones do not allow you to have ads or anything like that in your lock screen or while you're charging your phone. But Android phones, they allow that. So this is only for Android phones, unfortunately. But they have already paid out over $7 million, guys. So if you see down here is 7 million, almost 7.4 million. So get in on this and get some money here. Let's start the best part. Let's see. Payouts are fast, USA owned and operated, real customer service. Who we are. No credit card needed, because of course this is going to be free, guys. Alright, so this is how you're going to earn. See, charging screen. Earn gift cards or PayPal cash while charging your phone just for having it plugged in. And then lock screen. Discover interesting articles, news updates, and cool offers right on your lock screen. Best part, get rewarded for doing so. And then third, you could swipe and choose. Swipe through interesting offers and funny memes, or choose directly from the offer wall packed with high-paying surveys, apps, videos, and more. You can even win prizes in the daily raffle. And oh, did we mention payouts are fast? Get your own free gift cards from top brands like Walmart, PayPal, Amazon, Netflix, and more. And you can also donate to charities like American Cancer Society and Habitat for Humanity. Best of all this is for free and no credit card needed. All right. Says here, make money today. Earn money while charging your phone or by using your in-app games, articles, or surveys. No gimmicks, try for free. Fast and easy payouts. You could either choose gifts or support a charity, and part of the gifts is PayPal, guys, okay? Oh, so here is your payout. So looking for gift cards. So these are all the different gift cards that you can get, but they can't possibly list everything. So there's many other ones. And then if you want cash, you need to have access to PayPal. So this is pretty much worldwide if you have access to PayPal. And then you can also just donate to charity if you wish. There's also Clean Water Funds, the other charity. So if I look at the Google Play reviews on this app, Gift Loop, you will see that it is almost a 4-star with almost 3,900 people reviewing it. Let's see. So I think this, yeah, this is the information I just went through. See, so they're rated 3.8, which is not too bad. And guess what? So it's nice to see that they are here responding to people, even though they have good ratings. So this is really good to see that they support the members that are using the app. And if you have any problems, I mean, if they're responding to good reviews, obviously they are going to respond to any bad reviews as well. So you have basically, this is a good app in that sense because you're highly supported and they keep updating the app. So this is 2 days after I'm recording this, 2 days after September 30th. So they are very up to date on the app, and they are watching and making sure that it's working for everybody and answering your questions. You see? So this is a very good app to kind of check out and see if you can earn some money on the side. This is definitely a way to make some extra money on the side. And if you do, save that money if you can. And well, unless you want to donate to charity, that's great too. But if you really want to make some big money online, guys, it is very advisable to keep that money and invest it in yourself so you can learn some online skills that's required to make bigger money, guys. Okay? And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want to check out the program that I use to learn these online skills, then go to my YouTube channel art and check out that link that says make big money here. Okay, guys? And remember, if you're on the phone, just scroll to the about page on my channel and you'll find that link at the bottom of that page. Okay, guys? All right. I hope you liked this video today. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make big money online, guys. All right. And I hope you hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I produce videos every single week and as often as I can. So make sure you stay tuned, and I hope I see you on the next video, guys. I hope you make big money soon. Bye.